Oh man, guys, this is one of the best feelings as an affiliate marketer when you launch an offer and day one it just crushes. And I just want to take you through it because it feels amazing right now. So I'm on Snapchat ads, just launched a new campaign. You can see today is February 20th. And day one, we spent 172 Australian dollars, which is equal to about 123 US dollars. And let's see then how much we've made on this campaign. So you can see here, we've made $1,320. And these leads just continue to come in. They've been coming in all day. You can see people have this debt, and we've got like 60 something leads already in today, day one. So $130 spend, give or take, of US dollars, and we made around $1,300. So we're getting an ROI of around 980%, which is insane, guys. Like, this is insane. This is like a clear indication of what happens when you get on a new platform like this in the early days. So somewhere around this video, wherever you're seeing this, I'm going to put a description to the Snapvertising course. I want you to click on that link and just consider getting it. See if you want to get in on these early, easy days of Snapchat advertising. These are just no BS statistics. I'm just trying to share good feelings so that you can also experience this, because believe me, it's usually downhill from here. Even though I'm going to start making more money, I'm still going to push this into thousands. This is exactly the type of campaign that the last big one that I had, generated over $200,000. So I'm going to push this one even past it. But for now, I'm just savoring these amazing moments when you can make just crazy amounts, crazy ROI, because nothing is better than putting in 100 to spit out 1,300. So somewhere around this video, again, like I said, there's a description. Click it. Just think about what would happen with your business if you do decide to take action and get Snapvertising. So click the button, click the link, and get your copy of Snapvertising, and we will see you there on the inside.